Okay, here we are back. I believe it's day 22. Was able to get the niche in yesterday. I continue with the tile. I was able to bring up this wall here, all the way up and around. So I got these top cuts today, and then I'm gonna start a tile on this niche wall here. So that's where I'm at. Day 22. Tile work will continue. Okay, here we are back on site. Not sure what day we're on right now. I'll put it down in the description. Let's see, I'm gonna continue on. Came in on Friday for about a half a day. Cleaned up all the walls everywhere, removed the spacers. Then I continued this wall up around here. Did the niche, so today I'm gonna clean up around the niche. Continue on, not sure exactly what I'm gonna do today, but probably gonna start the niches with the profiles and whatnot, get that done. I still have this wall of tile here, around this side, and this edge here. So that is where I'm at right now. There we go. Okay, not sure what day we're at. I'll put it down in the description. I think we're at 24 or 25 here. I came in yesterday, did a ton of work with the profiles, had multiple profiles to cut. We're having two for this wall, one for this wall, around the niche there, around this niche as well. I have two more to cut for the custom made shelf in the middle there. And I pre-cut all the glass as well. So today, I'm continuing with the tile work, and I'm hoping between today and tomorrow I'll have everything set. Got to set this wall, set the wall over here, sew the niches, go around the curb and this wall here. So a little detail work left to do, and we'll go from there. So gonna continue on, go from there. Okay, here we are. I believe today is day 26. Niches are in. Just gotta finish off the bottom of that niche, but nice niches, glass mosaic herringbone in the back. Very difficult tile to work with, but very nice custom made shelf there in the middle out of the field tile and profiles. So we have to finish off the both sides of the curb, bottom of the niche, and then this wall and the short wall over here. Once that's done, I have the custom piece right here, ramp transition. So that's that. I'm going to continue on here. Okay, here we are back on site. All the walls and floors are grouted. Today I'm going to do a final wash in the areas that I grouted. Continue on with the tile work where needed and some odds and ends things. So, okay guys, here we are back on site. I believe today is day 29. All the tile is set. Custom ramp transition, tile around the curb, and I did the repair on the glass mosaics inside the niches. So today I'm going to button up all these loose ends with the grouting, some drywall work, some molding, and I have the painter coming tomorrow, so I'm gonna get everything ready for him and his crew so they can paint this whole thing in hopefully one day, but if not, no big deal. But they're planning for one day for painting the entire bathroom, which would be the ceiling and these walls around here and the molding. So that's where we're at, day 29. I'm gonna continue on, get this ready for the painter, and go from there. There you go. Okay, so here we are back on the project. Did not take a video yesterday, which was day 30. Had all the painting work done in here, so you can see white on the ceiling, a nice blue on the walls. Everything is good to go with that. Today, plumber Dean is on site. Today's day 31 of this project of on-site days. We're going to finish off the plumbing today, as long as everything goes smoothly. And then we're going to just button up a few things, a little caulking, a little bit of molding work, some touch up with the paint, and an electrician will be back after the new year to finish off his. So day 31. That's where we're at. Okay, here we are back on site. Today is day 32 on site. All the plumbing work is done. Check that bad boy out. Yes, sir. Well, that's all done around. So today I got a few things to button up, some touch-ups, caulking, silicone, some toiletry stuff. And that should be it for now until the electrician comes back, just to connect a few things, some outlets, Put some trim on, then the bathroom completely done as far as I'm concerned, except for the shower door here. That part I do not handle. Client will handle that, but bathroom will be pretty much ready to go. So day 32, then continue on. Okay, this is the room I staged in the entire project. It's all completely cleaned up, vacuumed. Okay, so here's the bathroom, brand new pre-hung door, molding on the outside. This bathroom was a full remodel, everything down to the complete studs. Even the subfloor had to be completely cut out. Cut it out around the whole perimeter, had to redo the whole substrate with the joists. Then I put 2 layers of plywood, self-leveler, waterproofed over the top of the leveler, then the tile. Nice about what is this? It's about a 4x3 shower here. Custom glass mosaic in the niches there. Custom made shelf in the middle out of the field tile and profiles. Nice niche over there for the folks. A little storage. Herringbone on the floor. Nice shower tile and a subway look. I believe this is a 5x14 tile. Now really top it off, that shower head there. Beautiful recessed rain shower head. Really cool. And then you got your standard shower head there and your body sprayer right there. Really nice. Nice vanity, marble top, sensor for the water here. It's off right now, but you just wave and it turns on. So we just have a little bit of electrical left to do, but otherwise I'm almost done on this project. Base molding around, window around there, trim around the window, nice crown molding around the areas that we did not tile here. So really nice. You see how I finish off that. I put a cap piece here, scribed it to that crown molding right there, and I also scribed it to the base molding down there, if you can see that. So everything came out really good. And also a custom ramp transition out of the field tile to make it look like it's folding down with the same tile. You can see same tile here, same tile there, all the grains line up. Bada bing.